Welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at converting variables to numbers. In the last lesson, considered two very important number methods in JavaScript to precision and value. We saw how to use precision method, especially the aspect of the scientific notation, whereby we're getting e plus one at the end of our number when we try to use the to precision method, and later we were able to get the exact value at a particular part where JavaScript used zero to pad to pad the number in order to be able to get the desired number of precision methods that we're using on the number in that particular variable. So in this particular lesson, we'll take a look at how you can convert variables to numbers. There are instances or situations in JavaScript where you may need to convert a variables to number before you can work to them or in order to be able to work with them. And that is the theme of this particular lesson that you are going to be examining in detail. Numbers, pass float, and pass int, they are uh, global JavaScript method when working with numbers. The number returns a number converted from its arguments. Now, the pass float passes its arguments and returns a floating number. The pass integer passes its integer and returns a whole number. The methods above are not number methods. Now, even though they work with number, that the number returns a number converted from its arguments, yet they are not numbers method, they are just global JavaScript method, which means when they say something is global, it means that it is available throughout the language. You can use it on numbers or on string, it will still work. That is the meaning of being a global JavaScript method. The number method can be used to convert JavaScript variables to numbers. So you can use the number method to convert JavaScript variables to numbers. If the number cannot be converted, now not a number is returned. So if you try to convert a string or a variable to number that cannot be converted, you get a not a number. So let's just dive in and see a demo of what this means when working with numbers method. So okay, I'll clear this and make another one. Working with number method on JavaScript. We make a short paragraph and say, okay, the number method is the global JavaScript method. And then I make a script tag here. I can use it. I'll inside this. So let me just make a simple. Okay, just want to add an ID to this so I can use it for demonstration. Then and then you can just call this ID document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML because I want to write out equals. Okay, so I want to do this so that I can break into another line. So number method. Then I can call it on. Okay, Now, if you are following what I've been doing, you realize that as I keep, oh, sorry, you realize that I've been trying to call the number method on each of these particular numbers, which happens to be string because you can see the double quote on them. And you see that I've been getting the answers on the screen, right? Now, make another break tag here. Now, I'll add another one. I'll call a number method and put space. This way, I'll put space, I'll put the number, I'll put space again. Now, I want to see the output. Okay, I'm still getting the correct value because JavaScript number method is helping me convert all these variables into numbers, as you can see, which means that what I did here, this is a valid number. This number method has converted it into a number. You can see. Here, what I did here is I added a space after the number. It's still a valid number because JavaScript just ignore it. What I did here, I added a space before the number. It simply ignored it and gave me the correct number. And here, I added space on both sides, and you can see that I got the correct output as well. So now let me add something else and see what is likely going to be outcome for us. So let me add something like this. 10, 33. I should get a now. You can see because JavaScript cannot understand this. So I will draw another one. I'll add a break time also. Then I'll proceed and do number and do something like 10 plus 33. Not a number. JavaScript does not understand it. What if I do 10 and I put space and I do 10 and 10? You can see JavaScript does not understand it. So the number method, when it cannot find something that it can pass, it will return not a number if the number cannot be converted. So as a result of what you can see here, the comma here and the space here before another number, JavaScript was unable to pass this, and that is why I'm getting not a number value in my browser. So this is how you use number method to work with variables or anything in JavaScript to convert some variable into a number. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.